Hello YouTube, we're making what we call a tripod ring, okay? This ring is 3" inside diameter. It's not quite a 1/4 inch diameter. These rods are. Okay, this is a really old ring, probably also some horse tack, something for harnesses, because it's old. I didn't dig it out of the dirt, but I found it in a bunch of junk, so I know it's old, how pitted it is. Okay, what we did here is these pieces are 1 inch on each side. They're not exact because we cut them in 2" pieces and bent it. Well, if you really want to be exact, bend your rod first and leave it a little long. Measure like say 1.25 inches, then bend it, which is just pound over the vise. I didn't need a torch. 1/4 inch stuff from the hardware store. That way you can make it exact. This doesn't matter. They are off a little bit. Okay, these are 3/4 of an inch. These pieces, these are bent at 90 degrees. And what we did, we're going to take all this off here now. So we're going to pause because I want to snap a picture up before I rip it all off the paper. So we'll be right back and explain a little more. Okay, we're back. Okay, to get your equal spacing, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to take everything off here. Okay, this is how we did this. We had our pencil in here before. Get the right way. Okay, so we drew we actually just laid the ring down and drew this. But so the outside just approximate. We just approximated it. But draw it like that. But okay, that's half your diameter, okay? All you do is you come up to here, and I poked it in the paper. You just go over here and you walk it around. And this don't have to be exact. If a machinist was doing, he'd double, triple check his work. We're going to come around again, right backwards. That will give you 6 equal spacings, because each one of these needs 2. There's 3 pieces. So with that. And we made them 1 inch because we took and drew an imaginary circle here. I mean, that's just for the drawing of 1 inch, which gives you 1 inch here and 1 inch here. So we wanted 1/3 of it to be open in the middle, and then of course, like I said, we'll put these in there. So I think you get the idea. So it's just chicken scratches on paper. These aren't exact. One leg's a little longer. We'll kind of straighten it up when we make, because we're going to just put spot welds on this. This ain't going to be big beads welded with the MIG welder. It's going to be more or less just get in there and burn you a good spot weld and hold it in there so it melts it. And then we'll do some cleanup work with the Dremel. So next time you see this thing, it'll be all done and welded. I'll show you probably a few pictures of how I might clamp it down on my vise outside. I have a steel plate. And I showed the other day I did them rods, Benny, but look, I clamp like that with the one clamp. This is clamped with another clamp. Don't try clamping 2 things together. Clamp separate clamps. Clamp this part, and we'll have the ground clamp over on the metal because it's clean enough, it'll pick up enough to make a spot weld. Because we'll be having the welder cranked all the way up. So you really shouldn't do that with MIG welder, but that's how I do it, because it's easier than trying to clamp to somewhere on here. So stay tuned. We'll get this done, so this ain't a big long video. Okay, we're done. We don't really have no pictures of welding it. We just got after it, and they're just big spot welds. We cleaned them up with the little Dremel stones and the little sanding drums, and then this flapper, whatever they call it, because it's 80 grit, it's pretty aggressive. Okay, it's simple how this works. I don't know if you can see how that's kind of triangle shape on the stick. See where it's round, you cut that off. This is all you do. We'll get down here. Let me back down a little ways. No time to edit, just go for it. Then get the idea, and then you adjust it. You'll keep carving it, but that's what locks it in there. Might be a little better view. Simple as that. And then you can put whatever here to hook, with a hook on a chain or whatever's going to go up the middle. So it's plenty big enough to put something through the center of it. So there we go. I got the idea. If I ever find a video, I'll put it in the description. I got the idea from a video, and it's might be almost impossible to find a video when the guy made it, because he could have showed it when he was out camping or something. So it was Really Big Monkey 1. It's all one thing, capital R, then Really Big Monkey 1. I'll give him a shout out there. But to find the video, I have no idea. So thanks for watching. I'll give you a couple pictures of this with it all nice and clean.